Hello, potential and fellow investors. Welcome to Real Estate Investing Wednesdays, your weekly guide to navigate you through the dynamic world of real estate investments. I'm David Washington, and I'm so thrilled to be your host on this journey towards financial empowerment through real estate. Now, whether you're a seasoned real estate investor looking for advanced strategies or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll dive into the latest trends, expert insights, and practical tips that can help you make informed decisions in the realm of real estate investing. So, without further ado, let's dive right into this week's episode and unlock the doors to successful real estate investing Wednesdays. Today's episode, this is a good one. This is going to be about distressed homeowners. A distressed homeowner is someone facing significant financial challenges and difficulties in meeting their mortgage obligations or maintaining their property. The term distress in context of homeownership typically refers to someone that is facing financial distress or hardship. Distressed homeowners can arise from a variety of different situations, such as financial hardship. The homeowner may be experiencing a job loss, reduction of income, or no income at all, unexpected sickness or medical expenses, or any other financial setbacks that can make it difficult for them to meet their mortgage obligations. Negative equity. When the value of a home is less than the outstanding debts that's owed against the property, it is referred to as being underwater or having negative equity. This situation can make it challenging for homeowners that's trying to sell their property or that's trying to refinance. Foreclosure risk. A distressed homeowner may be at risk of foreclosure, which is the legal process by which the lender reclaims the property due to the borrower's failure to make mortgage payments or maintain homeowner's insurance or pay property taxes. Property maintenance issues. Distressed homeowners may be struggling to maintain their homes physically or financially, leading to visible signs of neglect or disrepair. Real estate professionals, including investors and real estate agents, often use the term distressed homeowners when discussing potential opportunities for buying properties at a discount, especially if they're facing foreclosure or in financial distress. Folks, it is vital that you approach homeowners with sensitivity and understanding of their emotional challenges that they may be dealing with at that time. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to discuss the difference between a motivated seller and a distressed homeowner. All right, as we wrap this Enriching Real Estate Investing Wednesdays up, I hope that you've gained valuable insight and inspiration in your journey in real estate investing. If you have any thoughts, questions, or topics that you'd like for me to discuss in the near episodes, please feel free to drop a comment below. Your engagement makes this community thrive. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please also hit that notification button so you can be updated on everything real estate investing. Thanks for spending your Wednesdays. Wishing you successful investments and success in your real estate endeavors. Until next week, stay informed, stay motivated, and stay happy investing.